morning, students. So, all of you are okay at your home? And I hope you can hear me and see me. As you can see on the board, I will be going to take your grammar class. Okay. As you can see on the board, I will be going to take your grammar class. And the chapter I will be discussing today, that is one and more than one. One and more than one. And so all of you open page number 13 of your grammar book. Page number 13 of your grammar book. You can write the answers in your book also, and if you want to write in your copy also. Okay. So let's see. So we all know that what is one and what is more than one, and how we can make more than one from one. Okay, we have learned various process, like we need to add s, we need to add es, we can transform it with the ves, the f part with ves, then the y part with ies. Okay, so we have learned many things from the previous classes. So now today you can see here in this chart that there is something one and many, and they are different. Like there is no use of s, es, ves or ies when we need to make these types of words too many. We have to make it something different, and the difference you can see on the first. Look at the f part, and you can see there is something different. Like you can see here that man with men, man, and if we want to make it more than one, like many, so what we can do? We just change the a to e. We just change the a to e. Clear? So like this we can also make it more than one. Let's see other examples like child. This is one, and when we will be going to make it more than one, we will just do here what we did, that is we have added ren to the word child to make it plural, more than one. Okay, these words are something absolutely different from the others that we have done in the previous classes. This is kind of a different, so you have to keep it in mind very well. Tooth. So like this we have made it to more than one, like we have changed double o to double e, teeth, tooth, teeth, and like this and so on. You can see in your book, follow the book and you can understand it. Like what we did, mouse is completely changed to mice. Okay, so mouse is completely changed to mice, and that's how we can change this kind of certain words to more than one, like this. Okay, clear? And the next one I am writing and I am erasing the board now. Okay, clear? Now I am erasing the board now, and you can see all of these in your book. I am just writing this so that you can understand it. Okay, and woman. So we have changed here A to E to make it more than one, like woman to women. Like here also, foot to feet, F-O-O-T to F-E-E-T, that is we have changed double O to double E to make it more than one, and this is also same. Let's see here, double O changed to double E. And here you can see we need to add en to the word ox to make it more than one. Clear? Okay. So that is how to certain words you can change like that. Okay. So I hope you have followed the book. Now come to the G part. That is, you can see some fill in the blanks that we have to do. Let's do this. Let's do this. So now here the G part, you can see we have to fill in the blanks with the proper words, and if we need to make it plural, we need to make that, and we have to choose the words from this box. We have to pick the correct word and place it there by changing their forms, like we can use it as plural, whatever, like we have to understand about that. Okay, so let's do this. You can do it in your book. Pinky's dash is full of dash. She has dash, dash and dash, dash, dash and dash in it. So up to this, what we can do? So let's see the words from the blank, like how we can fill it. So we can do like that. Pinky's basket, we can see here that is one basket, isn't it? So it will be one basket. Pinky's basket is full of what? What we can see in the picture is full of vegetables, and there is lots of vegetables. So that is more than one. Vegetables. Vegetables. She has what? She has what we can see in the basket of Pinky. She has brinjals, potatoes and tomatoes. Brinjals, potatoes and tomatoes. That we can see in her basket, isn't it? Yes, all of you. Very good. Shrestha, Sania, good. Good. So, I hope you have written that. Now, the next part, that is the next line I will be writing in the board. Clear? Now I am erasing it. Potatoes. There will be potatoes because there is not only potato, Ayan. there is not only potato, there is potatoes, because you can see in the basket that not one, there is more than one. Okay. Now I am erasing this. Her mother's dash has dash and dash and dash in it. They have also bought two dash of biscuits. So which words we can feel here? Like her mothers, you can see her mothers also have basket. Basket has what? What? We can see their fruits. Her mother's basket has mangoes and oranges. Yes, mangoes and oranges. In it, they have also bought two packets of biscuit. So 2 means there is more than one. So we have to write it like packets. 2 packets of biscuits. Clear? Packets, Shrestha, there will be packets, because you can see here there is number 2. Number 2, that is not single, that is more than one. So we have to write it as packets. They have also bought two packets of biscuits. Clear? Now I will be erasing that and I will write the next part. Complete. Now I am erasing it. Pinky's mother needs soap and a dash to wash dash. They are going to another. They are going to another dash to buy this dash. Okay, so how we will fill it? Like Pinky's mother needs soap and A. There is A. A means one. A brush. Pinky's mother needs soap and a brush, that is one brush. So we have to keep it like one. Brush to wash dishes, because there is loads of dishes. Dishes, they are going to another shop. One shop, they are going to another shop means one shop. Yes, Shrishta. Good. To buy these things. These, and here these, the word is more than one. Oh my God. স্যার কে রিমুভ করে দিয়েছে? সুদেশনা পাল। বলবো আপনি কানেক্ট করে দিলে, ক্লাসে শেষ হয়ে গেছে তার জন্য। তাও আমি মানে একটা কনক্লুড করে দিই ক্লাসটা। Sudeshna Pal, why have you cut the call? Sudeshna Pal, do not cut the call, okay? So, I have completed this part of this chapter and the chapter is completed now, okay? So, the next class, so I hope all of you have written this, okay? So, I have completed this chapter and I will be taking the next chapter in the later on classes. Today is up to this, okay? Thank you for today. Recording